Welcome to BioVita Lab, where science meets longevity. Here we explore the cutting edge of health, biohacking, and longevity science, translating complex research into simple, evidence-based habits you can apply every day. Today we'll look at one of the most powerful, yet surprisingly simple, longevity habits ever discovered. A habit that could add up to 14 years to your life. And the best part? You can start it today. Imagine this. You wake up every morning with more energy, clearer focus, and a body that feels biologically younger than your age. Now imagine that this change doesn't come from a supplement, a superfood, or an expensive treatment, but from one simple thing your body already knows how to do. It sounds too good to be true, but scientists at Harvard University spent over 3 decades studying exactly this, tracking more than 120,000 people to uncover the lifestyle habits that make the biggest difference in how long we live. Their conclusion was stunning. Adopting 5 key habits could extend your lifespan by more than a decade. But one of them, just one, had the greatest impact of all. Let's start with the facts. This massive Harvard study followed men and women across 34 years, analyzing the effects of diet, weight, smoking, alcohol consumption, and physical activity. Those who adopted all 5 healthy habits lived on average 14 years longer for women and 12 years longer for men than those who didn't. That's not just more time. That's a completely new chapter of life. But when researchers isolated each factor, one habit stood out as the most powerful predictor of longevity, resilience, and biological youth. That habit was regular physical activity. Exercise, simple, right? Yet it's the single most effective way to extend both your lifespan and your health span. The years of life you spend feeling strong, capable, and mentally sharp. Harvard's data revealed that people who engaged in just 30 minutes of moderate exercise per day, walking, cycling, or swimming, had dramatically lower risks of heart disease, cancer, and early death. But here's what makes it truly fascinating. Exercise isn't just keeping your muscles fit, it's reprogramming your biology on a cellular level. Every time you move, you send a signal to your body, a message that says, stay young, keep repairing, keep growing. Inside your cells, something extraordinary happens when you move. Physical activity activates a process called autophagy, your body's natural detox system that clears out damaged cells and replaces them with new, healthy ones. Think of it as internal housekeeping, a way to keep your biological machinery running smoothly. Exercise also enhances the function of your mitochondria, the power plants of your cells, boosting energy production and reducing oxidative stress, one of the key drivers of aging. Even more impressively, regular movement has been shown to influence DNA methylation, the biological process that controls how your genes express themselves over time. When you move, your DNA literally behaves as if you were younger. You're not just staying fit, you're slowing down time. Let's put this into perspective. People who maintain consistent physical activity have a 35% lower risk of death from all causes. And biological markers show they can be as much as 10 years younger than their chronological age. To your body, movement isn't just optional, it's information. It tells your cells that the organism is active, healthy, and worth maintaining. Without it, your biology assumes you're shutting down. Every time you skip movement, your body slowly forgets how to heal itself. And it's not just your cells that benefit, your mind does too. Exercise releases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a molecule scientists call miracle grow for the brain. It stimulates new neuron growth, improves memory, and protects against cognitive decline. That's why active people tend to be not only physically younger, but mentally sharper, calmer, and more resilient. Movement, in essence, is the bridge between your physical body and your mental clarity. Now here's the question many people ask. What if I haven't been active for years? Is it too late? The answer is absolutely not. Harvard's data and numerous follow-up studies show that even starting later in life has a huge impact. People who began exercising in their 50s, 60s, or even 70s still reduce their risk of chronic disease and improve their energy, strength, and mood. Your body has remarkable plasticity. It doesn't matter when you start, it only matters that you do. And here's something the fitness industry rarely tells you. You don't need to train like an athlete. Longevity doesn't come from intensity. It comes from consistency. Walking 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week is enough to activate longevity genes, improve heart function, enhance insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation. The key isn't to push your limits. It's to create a rhythm your body can rely on. Every consistent step tells your cells, keep adapting, keep renewing. Over time, that rhythm becomes the foundation of long-term vitality. If you want to learn more about the science of longevity, health optimization, and human performance, subscribe to BioVita Lab and join a community dedicated to understanding how to live better, longer. Because your biology is the most advanced technology you'll ever own, and it's time you learned how to use it. Every heartbeat you feel, every breath you take, every step you walk, it's a biological signal, a code that tells your cells whether to grow or decay, whether to regenerate or shut down. Movement keeps that signal strong. It tells your body, we're still here. Keep building, keep living. So the next time you think of skipping your daily walk, remember, it's not just exercise, it's a conversation with your biology. Every step, every breath, every heartbeat whispers the same message. I intend to live longer. You don't need perfection, you need motion. Because motion is life, and life rewards those who move. At BioVita Lab, we believe longevity isn't about chasing youth. It's about understanding your biology and working with it, not against it. Through science, discipline, and curiosity, we can all unlock the mechanisms of healthy aging. So stay curious, stay consistent, and keep upgrading your biology.